Good day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your JIS news for Wednesday, September 17. Government continues to make deliberate moves to strengthen the support already being given to the micro, small and medium enterprise sector. The latest initiative is the Mobile Business Clinic, which was launched Tuesday. The Mobile Business Clinic will provide comprehensive business advisory services to persons across major town centers and remote communities around the island.
This is not a scattershot approach. We know exactly what the people want, and we are taking it to them. We won't be just rolling in and rolling out of these communities. We will be guided by information, and the JBDC will use these visits to develop their client bases, and of course, there will be follow-ups based on existing and future demands.
Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce Anthony Hilton added that the clinic will further bolster the MSME sector, fostering growth and competitiveness. For the next 12 months, the Mobile Business Clinic will be held monthly over a 3-day period in some 30 communities across the island. The clinics are slated to begin on October 29 and end on September 24, 2015. The Mobile Business Clinic is a public-private partnership involving the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, the National Commercial Bank and Nissan Motors. The island is a step closer to finalizing its cybersecurity strategy to complement the 2010 Cybercrimes Act. This as the Ministry of Technology on Tuesday concluded a 2-day workshop involving various stakeholders. The workshop discussed and reviewed the contents of the cybersecurity strategy's 4th draft and proposed recommendations. It's anticipated that the document will be completed within 2 weeks.
The purpose of this validation workshop is to share the findings and the recommendations and to leave with a strategy, but more importantly, not just a strategy, but a specific action plan which can be implemented.
In a bid to ensure the sustainable development of the craft industry, government is throwing its support behind the newly established Craft Council of Jamaica. The council is made up of local craft traders, producers and other stakeholders. While addressing the council's inaugural meeting, Minister of Tourism Dr. Wickham McNeil challenged the group to develop a proper governance structure and regulatory framework for the industry.
In recognizing the need to more strategically streamline the industry and increase its contribution to the local economy, Cabinet has endorsed the development of a policy to govern the craft industry in Jamaica.
Stakeholder groups represented on the council include the Port Authority of Jamaica, Jamaica Business Development Corporation, Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts, Tourism Product Development Company, and the Ministry of Youth and Culture. The Ministry of Education has partnered with the Jamaica National Building Society on an educational program targeting 15 underperforming primary and secondary schools. The initiative, dubbed iLead, is targeting the ministry's Region 2 schools, which are those in the parishes of Portland, St. Mary and St. Thomas, considered to be the country's weakest performing region.
In essence, the iLead project has the important task of transforming these educational institutions by delivering to these schools a realistic identity that will enable them to assume their responsibility confidently in the educational process.
Addressing the launch ceremony on Tuesday, Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites lauded the public-private partnership.
What we're doing is marrying the vision and the imperative of the private sector, marrying it with a state entity, the Ministry of Education, the schools, the principals, etc., and saying that, shorn of all of the self-referential patterns of the past, shorn of all the private interests, we're going to do it well this time. We're going to transform it.
The project's priority focus is mathematics, literacy and science, with the Education Ministry also providing full-time coaches to assist the targeted schools. The program will be carried out over a 3-year period, initially targeting 5 schools in the first year. Government is advancing work under a program to redesign pharmacies in the public health system that will allow persons timely access to medication. Permanent Secretary in the Health Ministry, Dr. Kevin Harvey, says persons living with HIV and AIDS and other serious illnesses will be able to fill prescriptions in a timely manner.
We have high hopes for the system to ensure that persons are able to get their prescription in a meaningful way, but in a timely manner, and to ensure that the supply chain management aspect is improved.
Dr. Harvey was speaking Monday at the opening ceremony for the Pan American Health Organization's Treatment Mission 2.0 at the UWI Mona campus. As part of the improvements to public health pharmacies, the National Health Fund is taking over operations and using a new management software to ensure that the supply chain is properly maintained. Already, the ministry is reporting a 60% increase in the number of customers served. And finally, as government continues its fight against the Chikungunya virus, persons are being asked to join the effort by organizing cleanup activities. The Ministry of Health is encouraging persons to locate and destroy mosquito breeding sites around their homes, schools, churches, businesses, and the general community. As at September 12, the Ministry of Health has reported 26 confirmed cases of the Chikungunya virus. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thank you for watching.